I recently found a way how you can earn over $850 just by listening to music, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly step by step how you can start earning as a beginner with this secret strategy. The only thing you need is a phone or a laptop, and you can instantly start with the first step, where I want you to come over to google.com and search for mixkit.co. As you can see, mixkit.co is a free website where you can find plenty of different songs which you can use for your projects, but all we're gonna do is simply listening to music and then making money from it, and I will show you in a second how you can listen to any kind of music tracks on this website and then earn money for every song you listened. As you can see here, $15.45, $11.90, and even up to $53, and there are literally hundreds of thousands who are earning such amounts. But let's do quick math about how much you can earn with this strategy. If you listen to just one song, you are able to make $8. Listen to 5 songs will get you $40. If it's 20 songs, you earn around $180, and listening to 100 songs can make almost $800, so there's no limit of how much you can earn, but make sure you have a phone or a laptop in front of you, because we will start right now with this secret and free strategy. And if you haven't made money online before, don't worry, you will be able to start earning with this strategy. As you can see here, there are plenty of music tracks on this site which we will use to earn money, and then just scroll up to the buttons where it says genre, and you can just put your cursor on it, and there you can see all the different music genres this site offers. But you can start making money with any of these. But as a first bonus tip, I recommend you the pop genre, because it's the easiest genre to start making money just by listening to songs, and once you clicked on this button, there are instantly hundreds of songs which can be downloaded for 100% free, so all I want you to do is simply click on the download button right there and download the song onto your smartphone or onto your laptop. But not only this song, I want you to download at least 5 songs so you can maximize your profit. But before I show you the next step, welcome to Daily Income Streams, where we show weekly new videos about how you can make money online. If you want to become rich in 2023, subscribe to this channel and comment down below your country so I can help you to make money online in your country. As a next step, I want you to come back to Google again and search for Up Forever, and simply click on the first result that comes up. And as you can see here, with this free website you can make money with your songs, but I will show you step by step how this works. You also get paid by uploading your songs onto this platform, and you get paid a particular amount of dollars every time someone downloads your uploaded song. The amount of dollars you get per download depends on where the majority of the downloads comes from. That means if your download comes from Tier 1, which means Canada and United States, you get paid $7. If they come from Tier 2 and 3, which means from Australia and Saudi Arabia, you get $4, and if they come from other countries, you get paid $3 every time someone downloads your uploaded song. But I will show you exactly step by step what you have to do right now, so you are able to earn your first money today with this secret website. I want you to quickly sign up to this platform, and for this you only need to type in a username, a password, and your email address, and as a next step I want you to click on the button where it says make money, and then all you have to do is simply scroll down. And as you can see on my screen, there are plenty of different payout options when you want to pay out the earned money onto your bank account. For example, PayPal, Payeer, WebMoney, Perfect Money, and many others, but they also provide you with the most used electronic bank worldwide, which means you get your payments extremely fast. The minimum payout is only $1, which means you can easily pay out the money after the first song. And when you scroll up again, you can see that there are literally 4 different ways how you can make money with this website. But we will use the last one that says sell files. Here you can easily upload your song and get over $8 per download, but I will show you how this works. All I want you to do is go to the main page again and click on the button where it says upload files. As a next step, click on this button right there and upload the song you downloaded from mixkit.co, and then just type in the name of the song and then click on start upload. Then they will upload the file, and once this is finished, click on your account on the top and click the button where it says My Files, then scroll down to your uploaded song and click the green pencil. Here you can easily type in how much you want to get for every download. I will go with $8 because you can make hundreds of sales every day with the price of $8. Then just click on submit and you have instantly uploaded your song, and it is just a matter of time until you get your first sale. And as you can see on my dashboard, I earned over $900 from this website just by uploading songs from mixkit.co. This is super simple, and you can do it too. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see daily videos about how you can make money in your country. Thanks for watching and see you at the next video.